Hey viewers, many of us may wonder if a single phase AC supply is 240 volt, then a three phase should be thrice of 240 volt, which is 720 volt. Similarly, for a two phase system, it should be twice of 240 volt, which is 480 volt. But we know for a two phase, it is not 480, rather it is 415 volt, which is root 3 times of 240 volt. And for three phase system, the sum is 0. In this video, we shall see why three-phase supply is not 720 volt and how the concept of this root 3 came. To understand this, we have to recall that all physical quantities are broadly classified as scalar and vector quantities. Scalar quantities have only magnitude and their addition is as simple as the algebraic addition, like this. But electricity is a vector quantity which has both magnitude and direction. The three-phase electric supply are the three vectors displaced at 120 degree of each other. The center point represents the neutral. Their addition follows the vector addition rule. Since it is a vector quantity, we cannot implement simple algebraic addition. So don't worry, we shall not involve into the complexity of vector addition. Rather, we are choosing an alternative, that is the laws of triangle. So to implement this, first of all, we will draw a line across these two voltages. For our ease of understanding, we shall consider only these two phases for the time being. So this is a triangle. And now we will draw a perpendicular from this neutral point. Now it represents two triangles. Let's redraw only this triangle to a separate place. Now, since it is a perpendicular and this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 60 degree, so this angle has to be 30 degree to satisfy the laws of triangle. As because according to the laws of triangle, the sum of these three angles should be 180 degree. So this is one triangle and this is our second triangle. So let's redraw only this triangle to a separate place. We know this length is 240 mm. So according to the laws of trigonometry, if this is 240 mm and this is 30 degree, so this length would be 240 into cos 30. Now cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So it comes 240 into root 3 by 2. So if we talk about only this length, this is 240 into root 3 by 2 and this length is also 240 into root 3 by 2. So the total length is twice of 240 into root 3 by 2. So this 2 and this 2 cancels each other and the remaining is 240 into root 3. Calculating this, we get approximately 415. So this total length is 415. So we can say that any line voltage is equals to root 3 times of the phase voltage. This is how this root 3 came. I hope you understood up to this. There is another alternative which is a very easy approach. Let's see that. What you have to do is that you have to draw a line of 240 mm, make an angle of 120 degree and draw a second line of 240 mm. Now join these two lines and measure with the help of scale. You will find it approximately 415 mm. So from here also we can prove that the line voltage is 415 volt for a phase voltage of 240 volt. So I hope you understood both the approach. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more useful concepts on regular intervals.